Hi everyone, my YouTube people. Now, good evening, everybody. Today we are going to talk about some issues that just arrived on YouTube, okay? About Ishan people, Ishan men in particular, okay? It has been long time I want to talk about this issue, but anyway, they don't take their hand, draw their leg, come out, okay? Because you see now, the little can say they too like pretend. Although me, I like Ishan, well, okay? I went to Isha land. I fall in love with Isha land, but e no mean say some people not dey wey still dey fuck up. E no mean say some people dey fuck up we no go talk am. You understand me? At times we too like to dey keep hide things. The thing go come big because we dey hide am. But if we tell person wey e be say e dey fuck up, say hey, you dey fuck up, you go know say im dey fuck up. You're not supposed to dey fuck up, okay? So before we start this show, this talk, I want to speak my mind and still advise people, okay? Before we talk about this issue, I want to put my favorite music, Isha music, okay? Oya Meda. Oya, may we enjoy the music, okay? Before I go talk say I hate Isha. I no hate Isha. If I from buy my ticket from here go Nigeria, I spend more time for Isha land than Benin. So, but you know me say if some people dey fuck up, me will not talk am because you know why? Nigeria women we too dey quiet. We too dey keep quiet. Things go come spoil. You don't need to dey keep quiet, make things come spoil at all. As person dey fuck up, you go dey treat the fuck up for there immediately. Nothing like people, nothing like hide down. No, we be adults. Now free world with this, so we need to respect each other. If we talk say na marriage, we need to treat each other well, treat each other right. Not be to tell woman say I love you, to dey maltreat am. Oh, I go still play some audio because some of our Asian people wey be say their story looks similar. They call for the program. They come dey talk about experience wey they don't get with Asian people. Of which say everything wey they dey talk, one single lie not dey inside. I don't experience am on my own skin. I don't see am. Okay, I don't put up with am. So I dey hear everything as they come for the program. I dey shout. How come the behavior dey identical? Why? I no believe my eye. You know investigation wey I don do about this tribe and behavior to the extent I don go to their forum, Ishan forum. I don enter Ishan forum, make friend there, go see so many comments. They put one this thing one day. They talk about their men. They ask questions, say if Isha men they treat women well. My God, when I dey read comments, imagine inside a whole comment, no one woman stand up talk say they are nice. Comment if una want, I go paste am join this video. I screenshot many. Isha men, they are not nice. They, as according to their women, not with me talking. They are very proud according to their women. They don't know how to be romantic. they don't treat their in-law well, as according to the comments. Many of them, they are very promiscuous. They know they follow one woman. They know they take care of their children. I see so many comments for them. We mash many of the Asian men I don't see. When I go drink acid, did not concern me. Okay, waiting my own eye see. And wait I go through for 14 years of marriage with this shaman. Now they talk, I know they shame. Okay, now I put that standard say make woman they bear am. But there are things you cannot bear, my sister. You have to take your stand and say, as Spanish talk, basta, enough, and move on with your life. You know Saturday shine. Eh? You know see my life. Come on, we'll go stay for one devilish marriage. We one person will come and feel say, who dash you? Ogbe mo kai me wo. I don't feel laugh. It's not ogbe mo kai me wo. I don't wait till me now. We be shan. Okay, oh. Every complaint where those women complain for that video call, everything are true. Can you imagine? How can people behavior just be the same character? Eh? Ishama can tell you that if they come out now, if pikin grow, will come find out, he will move to the other woman, go give them belle. Lie. Be like say lie. They can swear give them. They be like say every minute they are lying. They cannot stay so they not lie. Greediness, so if you say I lie, go Isha for me. Go look am. A state where women not fit defend man. Fear that man. A life now so it be like children. A state where their women not fit defend them. Get us to be. It get us to be. Some kind things when Ishama go do. Those category of Ishama. The woman not go try and now what? What do they forbid? Ishama where they talk, where they say, as no one come say na their tradition. So Ishama no man, it will do you self. Make you go bring money for them. Now you want because very greedy people in Spanish talk say greedy. Very greedy people. They claim their tradition. I believe say traditional man supposed to they bring money for food. Supposed to they train his children. Not be born for here, abado, born for here, abado, born for there, abado. It will lie give everybody. Imagine, maybe na cause they follow the generational cause for waiting their parents do other women. And the generational cause they follow many of them. Now this song be my own again. Oh yeah, maybe we enjoy music. It's a journey. Now so no time to check time. If they do those say now only Benin with bad person. Benin. Meanwhile, some silent killer day. Okay, the video where they for they talk about them as far as they don't draw their leg come out, and the video they public. So one use the video say talk. Maybe say listen to their talk. As they talk, I feel the person who they identify those their behavior. Shame. You see they no wrong. So where here you see Shama no wrong. Devil. Who they call devil. Not many of them be very greedy human being. All the victim where all those women call for that video talk, they not lie. I be not want to do this video because I know say they go quit are not sent with 1 billion of mans men for this world. You say one die follow one will not be responsible. No. Not today. It shall be true. They say for the video say beating are their tradition. If Ishama cannot beat you here, he go they promise you say if you reach Nigeria, I will go beat you for Nigeria. Imagine after you don't see follow a year, Nigeria wey you suppose to dey enjoy your life, one man go dey promise you say na Nigeria go forbid you. Imagine. Each man go dey ask you with be mate. This one na man wey no know how to take dey bring money for food, cannot take care of the family. Or you want to dey lie and rant. They be like person wey dey swear for. And believe say many of them they are under curse. I not said though, my life man I go drink acid for this video, not consign me. They owe anybody money. Now I put the video where we want to talk this topic. Enough is enough. They say it's something too much. A person is talking. All of them they do suffering and smiling for all this shaman hand. They don't want to talk. Now so me myself still be before I don't want to talk because that's the way now they be. If they dey outside today, they will want hold you, they will want demonstrate for outsiders. Say they love you down. You when they with them. They want make outsiders believe say they be good man because they have low self-esteem. Many of them are complete classic narcissists. They want make all outsiders know say they're good because why do they do that thing? If you dey complain, they'll say, madam, if you dey complain, no be this your nice husband, no be this your nice husband. Devil, now they be. Each man, when you start to make money, you will have problem. You will just have problem. You go start to carry face. Each man can stay with you in the house 1 or 2 months. No will talk to you. The spirit of jealousy, they chop the. You know some people when they say devil send come meet some people for Europe, now they be. So be careful. Now when they talk say if they marry Billy, now lie. If Ishama go London come back, now still the same behavior get the bad ones inside. The same behavior now you get. If you like now London for grow. If you like now America for grow. Now the same bad behavior. We want when this thing when they do this behavior. So all those one when they talk, when I forget. Lie for their man. So we'll get 6-7 children. They know we'll great talk. They will say, if I come and go Nigeria now, I go anywhere, I know tell the girls I don't born. I go see born more children. You think say some women, their heads, they have. Say you will go lie to one woman, say you get 7 children, you not tell her. You go put on top paper for your food, you go die through away. Because not the old woman you feel life for. Destroy their life, you go waka. Come and they follow many. So now they careful now they carry them. Shaman. See the wrong who get leg. This one they can pretenders. If you dey marry shaman for us, now you go to destroy you, now you go to scatter your name. They destroy you, no go know. You no go know. You go dey ask, say wetin you do. You no know say na you just dey destroy you. They go. No take them play. Very devilish men. Pretending, greediness, stinginess, as I talk for that video, it complete for their hand. Everything complete for their hand. That pretentious behavior, when they pretend. When you just get belly, now you go even tell you say boom. When you get belly, bam. Now then you go see the devilish, evil human being for inside them. Because they believe say you don't dey trap. If they don't get word of their mouth, when you know say Benin they call Enyenemo B. Now many of the Enyenemo B, Iri, Ibiekaya, now they B. That is why they talk say they are women, not they respect them because Enyenemo B. How you want to respect Enyenemo B? Man will not get word of him mouth. Man will go talk something today. He go do another thing tomorrow. How you want to respect them? Me can't analyze the thing for my head. I can't notice say, forget all those their women don't get respect. Now their behavior they make that they react. Now make that they run, they call me Benin women because Benin women they don't feel married their women because all those ones their brain sharp. They could detect a bam. the thing go be confrontation between them. Benin woman go take am quiet because if you take that behavior there with some Benin men, e go favour am because Benin man they could recognize their behavior, they retract. But this shama, e go continue. They go continue. The worst now they go dey do. Now make they find other people to follow. This shall get no get big character. Why you go get character when you go lie give am, go do everything give am. You go from back the builders. You go say na 12 una own, she go dey put money. When she go don build the house finish, you go dey fans you want take gamble and go. And you think say you go eat that money, you will live in peace. Na lie. Na lie. So that is the only reason I see one of the talk say una own people not good. Say na make una dey come dey marry Benin. If una marry the Benin, wugwa ye jinya yahu, unyi wugwa ni oye ladian. That confusion wey dey with una. If una dey with Benin, una go dey find Robo. If una dey with Robo, una go dey find Isha. If una dey with that Benin, una how go see the Isha. Una go see dey find how una want to betray that woman, abandon una children. So wetin come be if they marry another people that they behave with a lie. It's a big lie. They cannot do that to Ishan girl. Wait I stay like Ishan girls. We say they know they wait for all this nonsense. Say they can't born many. As the job they make bam, they don't take their bag waka. They know they wait too much, and I like them for that. Now Benin woman they told her come they zingbe, they take the patient for waiting for useless man. They say he shall not stay husband. Why they go stay for this type of man with me? I don't see. I lie. And I lie. Now only Benin they stay. They will come on. You know better who they do as when they talk say they do a shower, they go they no go hustle. Each man can be with you 1 month, 2 months, 3 months at home for no quarrel because he say you dey progress or you get money pass am or you they arrange your life pass am. You go just dey jealous. You want take your position. Many of them they don't know their agenda. Whether they be man, they be woman, they don't know. They don't know. The ones who I don't see, they don't know where did they be. They jealous like say na swear they take and swear for them. They cannot withstand a woman progress. Ishame. They cannot. So maybe we look this program. If we will see this program when this lady do.
Severely when she get belle, she can call police. So the guy don't already get police problem. All the time go they use and take bully and say, hey,
if you call police for them, no problem. They will carry the paper of the police. They will show out to all the old guests who they want to sleep with. They no go talk why you call police for them. Now lie. Oh, don't be all men they like. Ishame.
I don't like that comment, okay? I'm not blocking you, but I delete it. Please don't do it again. Sure, you even have can come help me for something. You know they help they get 2 children.
That one are their food. They know they help you. If they say you they work, they get money. You know they give them.
Women go call in, they go.
Wait, if they say you they work because they know they like to work. Now where they know for work, now many of them want come eat. If they say you they work, now punishment for you. Now punishment that your work. They will use that pikin take suffer you, make you know they feel they work. And they don't go find money come. They don't go help you clean house. They don't go help you cook. They don't go help you do nothing for house. Even those at 11 o'clock they come for work, now they do something. If they don't mind, many of them they play gamble too. They could go they gamble small money with they with them.
Up you go help them. He say the major problem right now Ishan people go say make them not carry their matter go Facebook.
Which is true.
Oh, the girl said the thing really they kill her.
You go they die inside. Hypertension will kill you.
They treat them right now. He said especially all these new ones, even the old ones.
Now the worst.
Don't copy character.
Tradition shit.
This time of do something.
Tradition will not make una get nothing.
If see their own picking, they feel use and
do money. Not true. Many of them they go Malaysia, go India, and go they sell their kidney. Come they go they buy hostels, they buy things, they build house for you.
He said then a competition, the boys right now na back. They no want even cooperate. The reason why they give you belle now make you give the children money quick back.
They hide they everything. Ishama go tell you say your money woman na you.
So then she come dey look for place to go ease herself out and all that. So that one was soft for her. I sent her to Lolo, and you know we are into women in distress, hanging out 5 days. Only say this women in distress 5 days. Amen. Favor me. Me ne favor ma ta level. Amen. Favor me. So now we can't do our own finish. So this other lady can call. She said she deal with her husband for 18 years long for abroad, no picking. And then with the husband don't pass through so many trials and tribulations.
They go make you pass through everything.
Until one time, the husband no can get work for country where they did. Their sister-in-law come say make they come another side. They can't come. As they come there now, sister-in-law and the sister, they will go market. But sister-in-law be get where no be say na get where they pay. He rent house for the small girl. Oga na Ishan, they be Ishan. The same that tribe today. Oga go enter the small girl room and the small girl can't be Bini girl.
That one they cook there well. Cheating.
Cheating. For every afternoon. Before you know the girl can't get belle. And brother Ishama be done they do it wife for 18 years long. He never come. Traveling is part of education. Yeah, it's very many of our ladies need it. Do you know this lady we gave it to? She have not traveled out of her city.
Yes,
her country.
You have to travel out. If you just go through that stress,
she have not traveled out.
Even though saying you don't go out of your country, just go
the only thing that break my heart is I don't want my identity
I don't travel like that. Nobody even tell me. Travel week.
But she really appreciate down to earth. She really do
Then
appreciate. You understand? And the lady she stayed with also commend her that she was such a nice person, you know?
Fine girl.
So
if you don't reach you, now devil you gonna carry at the end.
Oh yes, so God bless me and my family and Lolo too. She's the initiative. She's the one that initiated.
Part two. Like say no
See,
part two.
I know the last person where they plan for me. You see they then better.
No, part two. The women for the call. We will listen to their call. We will still help some of you now. Let's move on. Yeah. Okay. Let's say on the call.
The other woman again, they regret saying marry Isha man, and the other one say Isha man they too stingy.
Stinginess.
Since when this
You don't talk about food. Stinginess. Food not go food there. Say Ishama go make me go dey look. Now you be man for us. If you want marry Ishama, ready to be a man, okay? Akbo ya, eri agbe, ohuo yankin, ohuo ni bun alarewo. Now woman many of them for past come. Ma, Jean, I'm not sure say they their body. I'm not sure. That's all na for the see them. They no man. They fit go people party, go they get low self-esteem now. They get to boost now. They fit go people party, go chop 500. Bet they will never bring money for food. They don't know whether they eat, but they eat for us. Their children, they know they calm down and put again.
something back home, can't just start. It just remains small. May Isha may use. Today, they can't tell the girl say the girl where fed your ass, he get belle, he get belle nice, eh? Thank God the lady also she na still FBI sabi do 1 + 1 = 2. You understand? Ha! Then say I be my sister. Something happen when made this girl pack come off our house just like that. And now they don't pack. They say he get belle.
You
He
say the
one
husband
afternoon,
come
man,
dey
just
chop the
reason,
girl wey
reason.
the sister when they
He
go
said because
visit
since then when the
house.
girl don't stay back
The
on
girl pack
this
comot.
man will be Ekpo wa before.
Go dey
You know
go
they
dey
stay
see
at
am
ass
now.
again.
Ija.
Every now and then, you must see wayo,
Shama.
you want go waka. You must see wayo, you want go waka. Hey.
Hey, oh yeah, me.
Then
If
the
he
lady
go
say
get
you
fine
read
woman
1
for
plus
house,
1
he go
equals to
dey
3
he
in
go
your
dey
body.
he go dey
Now
pretend
so
as
you
if
just dey
say
tell her.
that
I
woman
go
have
tell you say
problem.
I
Whereas now he get
Alicia.
problem. If
I
you
go
did that
tell you
kind
say
marriage,
Alicia.
don't allow
You see that pikin wey
anybody
you
to
get
make you
so
feel
I go do this to am.
like
I
you
go
have
do that to
problem.
am.
You have
You
no
just
problem.
say
Now
we
they
never
get
know your
problem.
secret. The man don't confess say no be ordinary and you take do am.
Now
You
so
say
that they
na
do
so
am.
dey
Hey.
start.
Now so that they do am. They not go sleep
You
with
go
woman. They not
know,
spoil you
say me
give
too.
them.
I be yekenenemi o. Come they use the village to the boast. He say
They
na
not go
so.
sleep with
He do
woman.
for
They
where
not
call his
spoil the
sister,
woman when they
sister.
get. They not fit
This
toast
girl,
woman. Man, I
now
come.
your husband
I go
give
show
am
her how
belle.
to
I
toast
just
woman.
say me about threatening this girl. This girl now your husband give am belle. He say now so your husband come back from outside. They start to dey fight with the man. The man say hey. As you come they say na me get the problem. Na me get the problem. Now it don't show say no be me get the problem. Now the lady say how you take no say no be you get the problem. This girl they walk. You know whether if I get belle before you start to dey sleep with her. He say this is shaman say lie yo. This belle na you. You go carry am. He say as before Jack Robinson brother don't pack comot for his sister house.
That one they quick them. They fit pack 20 times come for us. Also they know they pay. They don't they pay for food. They don't they pay for water. They don't they pay for their children. Nothing.
Then his sister come call his
No
family for
shame.
Africa.
Ishama, they are shameless. I say so.
Mama say, hey! My pikin don dey old dey go. Let am go know. Because before you say, na yan, na trouble dey. Now, you don't do kick.
Two face.
You don't, person don't get belle. Just sleep and don't let me yek them. Anytime we God they bring you home, you go also born. Say they can't tell her like that. Now he come the verse. He come verse. 8 months come knock.
Relax, my
This one
shame.
no even call her.
Holy shots.
Then as 8 months come read, now he come say, wetin he go do now? He don't verse tire. This man, he no call her. Even baby they don't born. This man no even call her to tell her say, the woman don't born. Now he come call her.
Now she will get time they call her idiot self.
No problem. You understand? Now he come call her. No, me, I did not say I would not just take people in my hand. I would take responsible. I would not just take Facebook people. Sorry, guys. Oh. Everybody's place, they complain. So they say Abriba boys.
Distracting. Conversation.
Okay.
First start for the
Let's say,
Ishamen.
Okay.
I know say many of them will come line now because they want talk their matter, you know.
Abi,
But the ones who
they go they hide
they
because
say,
of
if they
Beruni
go
and
house,
Gwalo,
no
when they
problem.
are
If they
gone
not
room.
3 day online.
The truth you will not see for their hands.
Abishan.
Okay, thank you so much. I
Yeah.
so much appreciate for calling. So please tell
Okay,
us,
so-
this thing I'm saying, is it really true that
It's
many Asian
true.
women are
It's
passing
true.
through this type of
All
thing and they
the
don't
old
want to cry to
behavior,
social media?
and you women, when I not do say,
it's
now you be
true, it's
Bini.
true.
Now lie, if that Bini yourself, now why
To
you?
keep it to themselves. But there is no need to keep it. Sometimes they take it's private. You must not keep everything to yourself. You say it out. You listen to what people will say to you. You understand? Okay, so make I quick talk my own before other people will they call in.
Ishama will give you BP.
Ishamen to carry tradition for head.
They know
You
who
understand?
get tradition,
And that
wickedness.
tradition, they affect their
They get
marriage.
tradition.
Some of them, not all, but I think 70%. If 70% are carrying tradition around, making problems, so the remaining 30,
Don't talk and
what
finish.
is
I
there?
keep problem.
You understand?
Ishama is a drama king.
Majority wins the
If
vote,
there is
yes.
no drama, he will look
Yeah,
for
that
the
is it.
for
So if you are married
dustbin.
to an
Look,
you
carry
say you are
drama
happy
come
with
out
it.
into
Maybe
your
now
life.
the old one, now God just use mistake. Now God just give you.
Now the
Because
old one
these
was
people, the ones
past,
coming
you
these
forget.
days now, they are worse than devil.
Call her.
He said
Please,
they are
can you
worse
just
like
ask
devil.
Isha
Chai,
to
this
bring them
girl.
in their house? Because
Don't
some
meet
people are
them
serious.
again.
They say you are
Oh,
not
this
Isha. You
girl
know Facebook
don't meet
people, they
them
can't.
again.
Really?
This
Really?
girl don't
Come
jump
on.
them.
Your husband, Uromi people are 419. It's people you have to run for. You understand? So you know this
Now,
say
sorry,
you deal
talk,
with
if you
Uromi,
meet
man, you
more,
take pride. Before my dad died, my dad make a clear to us, say, me any of us don't marry Uromi, man, come house.
the
Why?
business wey dey do.
He say,
Man
we
wey dey
play
do
us, we
419,
play
he
our
go
mama,
play
we
you
okay,
419. Say, don't
okay,
talk
my
am.
lady, because the old people were really judged to me. I
Though
not
the
lie,
women
God
on
no.
two-face, now they be
All of the
two-face.
so Uromi. I still
I
as
say
like
so.
that girl with
If
the
no one
beads
go
with
drink
glass.
acid, man go
She
drink
na
am. I
Uromi.
tell you
That
too.
is baby father na Uromi. This woman where he
I
husband
work
give
better.
person belle, he na
Yeah, where
Uromi. He baby father
he
na
naked and
Uromi. He
all
husband na Uromi. The other one where still cry come na Uromi. So
no be only
it seems
Romeo,
that
no
na
be
only
Romu, West and all of them.
or
Hero, all of
other
them.
tribe they
No,
were still
the
bad for
bad
Isham.
ones
I
fully
bet more
fed.
na
I
split
go dey
things.
make sure but the ones when they lead for 419 now Uromi.
Okay.
Okay.
Right from Benin, right from small Pekin, all the pocket pickers when they Benin, all the 419s now Uromi
This
they be.
girl,
Every other ones they just they follow up. You understand?
Okay.
You know guys Uromi person they small rich. As far as say don't carry that name, say
Criminal
na mama they
minds.
born there, na papa they born there, they are 419. Run for them.
Always
That
thinking
is
of
just the
evil
truth.
to do
They
to their
follow
fellow
by
woman, that to
Ekuma.
hurt their fellow woman.
Ekuma people too like to they cheat their women. It's all about my own, my family, my family. If you only talk about your family, so
You see they like to the
you
you
don't
see
care
they
about
like to the
Ekuma. Like example, I have an
very
Ekuma man.
selfish
You get
human
opportunity
being.
to bring
Isha
every
people,
family.
their
First of all,
children
bring
self
the
not
wife
who
come.
can't.
Bring
Very selfish.
come. He carry a younger sister come. This woman, when he
If they
married
never
once,
live
never
their
bring
life,
any of family.
make it be
You
say
must
not to
be
the
proud.
net. They know they see whether
Woman,
other people
Isha
they
woman
live.
be na Benin
Igbo
woman.
people.
No be Benisha, Isha.
Jimmy, me I know that. I think say
O
if
ma
you
egbayan,
marry,
o ma
if
no
they marry
mission,
us,
o
then
ma
they
le,
punish
o
us.
we
I think say if
because
Isha
I don't
marry
enter
on
because
the-
I
now
dey
they
all do
love
say
them. I don't know.
tribalism. They too they do tribalism for Nigeria.
Oh.
Some tribe they will you need to stay away from.
We are
I
hearing
said
you,
so.
my lady.
If you want follow them, go
No,
their forum, go read their
sometimes
behavior.
it
You
good
go wrong.
make
If you
Benin
not
and Isha
coincide with the man when you
and
with
the
and
character
theirs.
they fit pass.
If I did
Isha
open
not
high
fit, not dey
like
work out.
14
Yes,
years ago,
you understand?
I won't
So
fall
this
for
man don't bring
rubbish.
all the family several times. Only one time this woman open my say, only when you will bring my
problem don
person
start.
still come. Or your family
You
don't
go see now your family
will
won't start to control
He
this
say never
marriage
reach
now.
it or make it wait. For her to bring the wife, younger sisters or brother, he bring the mama come when he don't fair enter you before. And so you can imagine that kind of people. And their moms back home, if they back
They just they
Because
say
they
this
back
color
them.
chop kiss, this color too much. This mona
Because
come
they
in
back
now.
them.
If this issue they grow like this,
But that many
it's
me,
bad though.
I not
We
get bad
are so
mother-in-law.
free, and
Yeah,
the
my mother-in-law, na
small
so we
small
did
girls
it.
where they call, where all these small Uro me new boy they. If you see the way that they use them, beat them, ha!
Now their work now.
Since when we use Benin men they cry, you know,
Go-
since
he go
Benin
beat
men
you,
fear, no
make
dey let
your
them beat
moral
women
for day
again.
down.
Now mad they come they talk.
If you
oh.
do dress,
People na talk,
whether
come
they
on,
want
back
put
here,
uniform for their head, or whether they want put clothes for their body.
Ishame, you go see they go change character.
Esu.
Ọpẹ ìkàlà wo me wo gwe. Weke mona vie la dia. Ni ma ki happy ya.
Who you want judge to when Ishama they do evil? Who you
Hello,
want judge to? Go call your uncle now. Go call your mama. If you don't talk to your mama, he go pass back, call your mother. Lie. He go demonize you, give them for that side. Everybody
Hello,
will
Kola.
hate you. Unless people that really know you.
We are still here. Sorry, we are still
They
here.
don't fit.
Hey, they say you are right, 100%. God will bless you, my sister, for coming now. Anybody
this
will
girl
go
don't
go
talk
back, go they cause that.
Now God
color,
will
wake up
punish
for
them.
show. Now only God
Now
say,
God will
"Like,
punish
if
them.
that
They
person
know they
get
fear Holy
pikin,
Ghost. Fire
you
lala, and they go
marry
drop them.
bad husband."
Now so, and they go keep quiet. Their pikin go
Kola,
they die in
good
silence.
Hello, Auntie Monica, good evening.
Good evening. We are hearing you.
Okay. So me I won't contribute me a decision person.
Okay.
But I not be open.
Okay. Thank you.
Why it be say their girls they marry Igbo? Mona ask them because they not worth, they not valid as man. All my Asian friends, women, like woman, all of them marry. What I want to do, each and one to fall for people. Only looked.
I will not call it mistake, but it was out of way. Person don't know.
Pretentious.
You know, tell me say
Very pretentious human being. I go talk when be say he get diploma for life.
Now, Ishan, whom are you be? Now, Ishan, oh, now just go bless you now.
If na me fair do this video come out now, they'll say because the marriage Shama, the man don't live, and only the man did this word. You now. I said, don't find this up with a cry follow one man. I look like woman will be say na for only one rat. Too big, bologbe. Be an alele, or a buffy, so be a no be. For a year, now you go get everything completed. And the man will know what you have sense. No know himself. Eh, Puke. He go say he go find her. People will be say they go dig grave alone. They go, nobody go even stand near them. They go suffer. Enough is enough. All those quiet, when are quiet, not quiet for who? You go to suffer. You go to quiet for waiting. Now, person give her a wish. See how now they make woman they feel. Listen. See how soon they make woman they feel.
The mama Naisha also.
Okay. See how soon they make woman they feel. They tell woman ban.
See your people.
They tell woman ban.
This thing we are
Are they
saying.
so? I sit down. Now so these people be.
Bring this
They
thing
say they talk and say
awareness.
because
We are
I hate
suffering.
to the do
Isham,
shabalism.
they who run me boys want
I
to
say,
kill us because of do
make
something
I
back
look.
home.
I
They
can't go
don't
there
mind.
forum. Can't they do
beat 2 months
investigation?
now. Why now?
When I see everything, it coincide with all everything when I don't go through. See.
You know, tell me, say maybe he don't first before, nothing like that. Say maybe he don't go one woman for journey.
So go get 10 children for the go they lie. Is there one woman go poison woman for this lie they come? No, we know say not be all woman be precious, not be all woman be real, don't care. Not be all woman be all this color.
To follow you pass through that dungeon. So I take my child and I walked out of the relationship.
Very good. And thank God so you not go jam all those useless women where they give stupid advice. If not, you for stay there. They bear nonsense. That is why I always say, don't, if you are not happy in a marriage, don't let any idiot advise you to stay. Imagine. They say you can never find peace with a woman you have made miserable. Look at how she's talking. This one will give you people sense.
Thank you, my lady.
When
May I
they
pick
respect
another
on
call?
herself.
Thank you. We understand your pain. Oh my God.
With the person not find for himself, you come bath.
Hello,
You come
Kola.
pack children for person. You say you go they have peace for your
Hello,
corner.
good evening. We are hearing
Story. We don't know the deep of this world. Who not cause self? Cause go follow the person. You know.
Hello?
We are hearing you. Lower the one you are hearing from.
Okay, sorry.
If I may do this video now, I just sit down say me I do the video. I don't know how I will do Asian demon, but I just say I can't even happy, can't thank my ancestors say no can't draw my leg come by myself.
One guy said, Monica, now only you want just know everybody's story. I fear will not fear you. See, what you say you know everybody's story. Now waiting they bring for you, then you will talk as a presenter.
Now they draw their leg come out by themselves. Oh, we can see like that. Also, disgrace like white. As now they carry on and say they hide, they destroy people. When I go marry Asian, but man, I believe no, you can't commit penny.